welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing really good. I made some awesome nails for Pride Month, some glittery drip rainbow nails. They are perfect. I can't believe it took me this long to upload the video, but I hope you guys enjoy and happy Pride Month! So I started off with my beauty and salon nail art fake nails. I get these off of Amazon and I label them all so I know which finger the sizes should go on, and then I go in with this fake nail clipper, or like acrylic nail clipper. I also got that off of Amazon and I really like it. I just measure it on my finger to see if what length I want to cut the nail to. Then I just go through all my nails and I try to cut them all the same length. After I put my nails on Q-tips, I go ahead and take a white nail polish and I'm just going to wipe off the nail to make sure there's no dust on it and put a nice base coat with white. This is actually the Sally Hansen's extreme wear nail polish. It's like $2 a bottle, but since I use it a lot, that's the brand I usually get because it's pretty cheap. And it works pretty well. If you're gonna do nail art on top of a color, don't forget to put a top coat on top in case you mess up. You're not going to ruin the color on the bottom and have to start all over. I hate doing that, so I made sure to go in with my Sally Hansen top coat and put a nice top coat on all of my white nails. So then I have my acrylic paint colors in rainbow and one nail polish, and I go in with my dotting tool and I create dots where I want the drips to end. And then I go ahead and I switch off colors, but the middle dot in between the colors, I kind of made it so it blended, so half of the drip is one color, half the drip is the other color. Next I go in with a brush and I just draw lines from the dot all the way to the end of the nail, and I love putting my nails on Q-tips so that I can hold them any direction I want, and it makes doing nail art on them really easy. Then I just fill in all the colors and I'm kind of blending the orange and the red together here. Now I'm just kind of fixing the colors, making sure the blending and everything looks good. And now I'm using my cuticle pusher to fix this little red part that comes out. This is a hack. I'm gonna have a nail art hack video that is coming out soon. And now I'm taking just white acrylic paint on a nail brush and fixing any spots that didn't look good or need to be fixed. Using the base color to fix the nail art is an awesome way of fixing your art instead of using the like colored. I could have used orange to fix that, but sometimes the base color works perfectly. Then I just repeated this on all of my nails, so the orange and the yellow to the green, green to the blue, and blue to the purple. And yeah, so it's the same exact process, just putting the dots, drawing the lines, and connecting it all together. So I have this glitter that has a bunch of different colors in it, so I just dumped it out and I made sure to take some top coat, and I went ahead and brushed on top coat on top of the color that I'm doing. So this will obviously help the glitter stick. And then bam, the best part is dunking it over into the glitter. It's so pretty. Once they were all done, they looked super cool, and I went in and I brushed the excess glitter off after they dried, of course. And then I took a dotting tool because there's some glitter that like got stuck on the white part, and I just kind of scraped the glitter off and it turned out really good. Then I just took my Sally Hansen top coat and put a nice big glob of top coat on there so that the glitter is all in place and you don't feel it once it dries. And then I just put a top coat on all of them and they turned out so good. Thanks for watching my video. I love these nails. They turned out super good. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Don't forget to check out my Instagram at nailsbychenoa23. Bye.